We'll guide you through how to do a speed ramp in CapCut. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, add the clip you wish to go and make a speed ramp with to CapCut. So this is the one I want to. And then what you want to do is choose where you want the speed ramp to begin. So personally, I want it to begin just here. So I've now got my cursor there. I'll click on the video to select it and I'll press split. And then what I want to do is go and choose where I want the speed ramp to go and end, which will be just here, let's say, press split again. Then this is the clip I wish to make the speed ramp with. So make sure you've got it selected and go down to the bottom and click on speed and then click on curve. And then what you want to do is the one I like to use is jump cut here. So go and select it. And if you click it again, you can then edit it. First of all, I like to go and start with the left dot and drag that up to 0, just so it starts at the same speed as the others. And then I'll bring this next one up to 0 as well. And then what I like to do is with this third one is speed it all the way to 10 times, just like so. And then I'll bring the fourth one up, just like so. And then I'll bring the end one up as well. And then what I like to do as well is just with these dots at sort of like the middle of the mountain almost at the bottom, I like to drag these out just to go make the ramp a bit more, like so. And that is perfect for me. And then what I'll do is I'll press the tick, just like so. I'll press the tick again. And now when I go and play it back, just like this, you'll go and see it gets super fast and then it slows down again. It's that simple. And of course you can go and make different adjustments to that graph we were just on to however you want it to be.